So guys, if you want to add Facebook chat widget chat on your website, just go to business.facebook.com and then select the page for which you want to add chat on your website. The Webful Creations is already selected for which I want to do this. After reaching here, go to inbox, and on top right you will see this setting, view all settings. After going to view all settings, go to chat plugin. There click on setup and then click standard. You also have other options, but I will go for standard because it's easy. Add your domain name, save and continue, copy code. This is the code which you need to paste on your website. Paste the code and finish. That's it. And here you can customize your plugin how you want it to look, like this. I will choose this one. Click publish. Chat button text. Ask us. I think it's better. I already have added the code in my website, but if you have not added, just edit your theme or use a plugin like header and footer insert. Using that plugin you can easily add extra code. See, ask us, it's looking better. Edit your theme if you want to add it in your theme files, then edit header.php and paste your code. Facebook have not mentioned where they want to paste it, but I guess it will come an inside body. So after this you can add it. Alright, thanks.